how to install Tonkeeper and create wallet. So if you want to install the Tonkeeper, then you can install it. If you're installing it on your Android, then you can go with your Play Store and you can install it. Or if you're using your iPhone, then you can have it on your App Store. And you also have the application on your web browser. So you can download it from these sources. And once you've downloaded, now if you want to create a wallet on your Tonkeeper, then you just need to make sure that you've installed. Once you've installed, you need to go for the create a new wallet. So first launch the application. You will have this kind of interface. You just need to click on continue. And then once you simply selected create a new wallet, then it will give you some kind of recovery phrases. So for example, you will have these 24 recovery phrases, which you can see right here. So you just need to simply grab a pen or a piece of paper, and then you can save all of these recovery phrases. Once you've saved, you need to simply click on continue. And once you click on continue, you need to set a pin code. So choose a pin code and remember it. You'll need it to confirming transitions. So while transferring the payments, you just need to enter the pin. So make sure to enter a strong pin. Once you've set the pin, on the step 4, you will have the backup and secret key. So write down 24 word seed phrase, which is right here. You just need to write down these phrases in the correct order. Store it in a safe place. This is the crucial for recovering your wallet if needed. So if you've forgotten something like your password or anything like that, then you will need to have the recovery phrases in order to recover your account or your wallet. And on the next step, you need to verify your seed phrase. So enter your seed phrase words in the correct order to verify. And remember to back up this recovery phrase carefully so you never lose access to your Ton wallet. And then on the last step, you need to create a password. You can create and confirm a password for accessing the app, and then you can finish the setup. You can enable the transition notifications if you want to, and then you can also use the Face ID to approve transitions. And you can click on backup the wallet recovery phrase to back up the phrases. And that's it. That's how you can create a wallet. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.